Hello, welcome to this section on outer merge. Outer merge combines tables with both matching and unmatching rows. It returns all the rows of the two tables or of both tables, whether they are matching or they are not matching. So I've created these two data frames, df1 and df2, to explain how outer merge works. In the first table we have John, which is not sorry, in the first table we have Michael, which is not present in the second table, and in the second table we have John, which is not present in the first table. So to perform outer merge, we write pd dot merge, specify the first column, second column, r equals outer, and run. See, we got Michael and John, meaning that it actually returned all the rows, whether they are matching or they are not matching. But you can also see the presence of NaN values. This NaN values is because Michael was present in the first data frame but wasn't present in the second one, so it returned NaN for Michael. So John was present in the second but wasn't present in the first, so it returned none. This core column returned none for John because John was not present in a table where this core column was present. So that's how outer merge works. See you in the next lesson.